Hey everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, autoramaauto.com. Let me tell you about this truck. If you're looking for a super clean, low mileage truck, well, it's low for the year. Um, One owner, bought brand new in Bismarck, North Dakota, lived in Western North Dakota its whole life. Man, you don't find them nicer. Uh, to tell you about the previous owner, he put Michelin tires on a 100,000 mile pickup. He put the best tires you could buy on a 100,000 mile pickup. It's got motorcraft batteries in it. He put a battery tender on it so that way when he parked it in the off season, the batteries wouldn't go down because he kept it indoors and he used it for pulling his camper and his car trailer. Not a ranch pickup, not an oil patch pickup, not an everyday driver. And then I drove it. I used it for chasing cars for 3 months. I put 8,000 miles on it. This truck is clean. It's the 6.7. It's stock under the engine. There's the Michelin tires. They're about 80% there. It's got the pearl white on it with the Adobe bottom. Heated and cooled Adobe, seating for 6. Sony audio, touchscreen navigation, the Bluetooth hookups. Put the Firestone air compressor system with the onboard air compressor so you can adjust it on the fly. It's got the factory tow package with the 5th wheel package in it. 6.5 foot box. Again, it's stock. We're going to give you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. No accidents, one owner, clear Carfax. We just changed the oil 200 miles ago and did the fuel filters. This truck's ready to go another 300, 400,000 miles. I don't know. The 6.7 seem to run 400,000 miles if you beat them up. Who knows how long they're going to go if you take care of them. I mean, like I said, this is the kind of owner that put tape inside the grill guard so it wouldn't reflect off of it at lights. I mean, fantastic condition, well kept, chrome package, everything but the sunroof. You're not going to find a nicer one, especially right now, as crazy as the truck market is, the diesel market. Seated Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, autoramaauto.com. Don't wait long. You're going to miss out on this super clean, nice truck.